Today, I'm going to call the phone numbers from Better Call Saul. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may have loved Breaking Bad, and Better Call Saul is actually over, but what I have here are some photos of the business cards from the TV show here. This one is actually James McGill, attorney at law. You can see the number on there. And this one is actually from the business card of Saul Goodman, and you can see the number barely on there. I thought we would try to call these phone numbers and see what we get. So let's start with Jimmy McGill here, and the number I can see here is 505-842-5662. The Saul Goodman number here, and that is 505. I'm hoping that's a Albuquerque area code, 842-5662. All right, so what I actually noticed here, and it didn't dawn on me, is that both of the phone numbers are the same. And so I guess maybe they have a phone number and voicemail on it, but that's pretty clever. And I guess he would only have one phone number. You wouldn't just get another phone number, especially since you're probably advertising it. So putting on speaker here. It's ringing.
You've reached Saul Goodman. Looking for phones? Well, I've got a surprise for you. The phone guy is no longer just the phone guy. I'm the law guy, your law guy. That's right, Saul Goodman, attorney at law. You meet the law, you want the law to meet me. Leave a message after the beep. I'll get back to you before you sleep.
But the greeting has changed to Saul Goodman, the phone guy / the law guy. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool that they would actually use a phone number and make it active. Just creates the whole universe for the rest of us. So if you want to call this number, you certainly can. That was pretty cool, but now you don't have to. You know what the voicemail greeting sounds like. So if you need to get a lawyer because of your lewd behavior, kind of like this guy, then you know who to call. I'm Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.